Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we're starting the Daily Dash off with a very interesting order, and this is the first time I've ever gotten one of these orders. I actually literally just logged in. Before I even got to the car, I got this order, and it says, from Sharky's wood-fired grill, contains alcohol, must show ID, must be, so we gotta make sure that we got our ID, which I do, in this handy-dandy wallet. See that? See that? I'm not gonna show you my ID, but we got the ID. Let's see, we got a mask somewhere in here. Yep, we're good to go. Check, check, check. So I just kind of wanted to start the Daily Dash off with this order. This is a great one because I've never Doordashed anything with alcohol before. I've done Postmates where I actually went into like a CVS in Walgreens. Oh my god, it's insanely windy right now. Sorry. Just got distracted because I see trash is literally... Hold on a sec, look at this. Okay, so randomly starting off the day with a gigantic windstorm at the house. That always makes me nervous because I have a bunch of really expensive equipment in the backyard, and if one of those walls blows over or something, it would be so bad. But fortunately, we have a shipping container connected to the back. Anyways, yeah, before the wind distracted me, because it was not windy a second ago, and now it just got crazy windy. That's the worst part about Las Vegas, is it's insanely windy here, and especially because I'm in the middle of nowhere. There's nothing to like block the wind, so it gets really, really, really windy here, and it's like actually really scary at night. And like obviously, like with all that big expensive stage equipment, kind of is nerve-wracking. But fortunately, I got a ton of straps on everything, and the shipping container weighs like 4 tons, so it's all strapped to that, so it's not going anywhere. But anyways, back to the Daily Dash. We're doing this order from Wood-Fired Grill, Sharky's or whatever. I think I've probably dashed there like a couple times, but I've never picked up alcohol. And yeah, so I did Postmates before where I went to like, I believe I went to CVS and bought a bottle of vodka for someone. I don't think they were allowed to do that though, to be honest. I think they got away with something. I don't think you can actually do that because they didn't check my ID or anything. Or they didn't know, I don't know actually. I don't even remember, that was like 3 years ago. But since then, I have not done any orders at all where there was any alcohol involved. So I definitely had to take this one because I feel like maybe, I don't want to put it out there, maybe, I'm going to put it out there anyways, maybe I will get a good tip because there's alcohol involved. So I don't know, hopefully, but yeah, so we're driving over this bumpy section. I'll be right back. So I'm assuming if they're giving me alcohol, it must be like a bottle of wine or something like closed, because like obviously they can't hand me like an open drink, otherwise I might take a sip. Nah, I'm just kidding. I wouldn't do that. I would never ever do something horrible like that. No, I'm a good person. Anyways, yeah, so we're pulling up to Sharky's right now. It's yeah, I'll just get back to you as soon as we get this order because I'm interested to see what is in it. Check this out, baby. An extra $7 for Wingstop for 1.5 miles. That is something we are going to be taking all day, every day. It's a great order. And I'm actually right next to Wingstop. I almost want to pick it up first, but nah, it's probably not going to be ready yeah, it's not going to be ready for 10 more minutes. Kind of sucks when Doordash does that to other customers, like they add on an extra order, because now I gotta wait around for an extra 10 minutes before I can go give them their food. But it is what it is. I'm pretty sure at some point when you're like signing all those things that you never actually read when you're doing like the I agree to the terms of services, you're probably clicking that the Dasher might pick up another order on the way if it's convenient. I'm sure there's something in there that says that, because I remember back in the day when Doordash was more new, there was a few times where customers like, yo, where are you going? And I'm like, I'm picking up another order. Duh. Like, that's what your Doordash told me to do. But I guess, I don't know. I wonder what it looks like from the customer's perspective if they see me driving to go somewhere else rather than to their house. Anyways, got the orders. It is 2 6-packs of Corona Light. It's a very weird order, you know? I feel like someone should use like Instacart or Postmates or something, and kind of weird why you would buy 2 6-packs from a restaurant, because it's way more expensive than if you were to buy it from like, I don't know, maybe other places you can't buy alcohol from on delivery apps, but who knows. So far, very, very weird, interesting way of starting off the Daily Dash with a beer order. Has any comment down below? Question to my audience today. Comment down below. Have you guys done an order like this before? Because I got almost like 2,500 deliveries right now, and I have never done an order like this before. So this is very interesting for me. So we'll see. Hopefully this customer has a legit ID, because I am not handing them over this alcohol because I have to scan their ID. It says I have to scan their ID before I hand it to them, and they better not try to like, it better not be like a freaking little kid or something trying to like get underage alcohol, like, oh, the only way we could do it is Doordash. And I'm definitely not risking my job if they're underage, but who knows? We'll see. We'll see. Anyway, so we gotta pick up this Wingstop order real quick though. So starting off the day, gonna make what, like $15 right away before even really got like 30 minutes into the day, or the Daily Dash so far. So far a pretty good day so far. Look at all these bikers, and look at how windy it is. Like an entire pack of racers all wearing like full-on gear and stuff. And damn, I don't know if you could see, but this is like the hardest light to turn left at. God damn it, this is so annoying. This is the second time this happened to me, so check this out. Oops. Yo, that literally happens like, it would happen all the time if I wasn't always super careful about that happening. I accidentally walked in the store without a mask and they made me wear this one. So funny that we have to wear masks everywhere right now. Yeah, so that's actually happened before, and it would happen more often. Look at this. I swear to God, look at how easily this sticker comes off. It almost just makes it look bad because the stickers don't even stick to their bags because they're so greasy. Like their food here is like, I don't know, they need like plastic bags or something. Because every time like the sticker comes off, it looks like I went through their food or something like that. Unfortunately, I'm not hungry because I just had a burrito, so don't need to worry about me eating your French fries. Anyway, so far we got 2 6-packs of beer and a Wingstop order. Very, very interesting way of starting off the Daily Dash. And now we gotta make another left turn at this really busy street. It's called Blue Diamond. It's like, what is this, 4 lanes wide. There's not many streets that are 4 lanes wide in Las Vegas, but it's kind of like a highway though. Anyways, I'll be right back as soon as I can actually turn out of here. Oh, all the street bikes are coming by. So, about to pull up in a couple minutes, but you know what I was thinking, because I've been like kind of hooked on Teslas lately. I don't know if you watched the Tesla reviews and stuff that I did in comparisons, but this whole thing that's going on in Texas right now. Thank you, car. We were not about to rear on that person. Anyways, my car makes funny noises when it thinks that I'm gonna rear end someone or if I'm not paying attention, but we weren't even close. Anyways, this whole thing going on with Texas, it's like, damn, that's kind of worrying, you know? If I had a Tesla, I wouldn't be able to charge my car, or like, I don't know. I guess the grid's going out every once in a while, but it's like, it's not really that big of a deal. But what if it did become a big deal? Like, the power just suddenly really turned off. Like, then I can't drive. But I guess, at the same time, I probably wouldn't be able to fill up my gas, though. Is anyone living in Texas? Let me know how it is down below, because I heard it's pretty crazy right now. Anyway, so dropping off this order, we are pulling up right now. Let's see how it turns out. I am definitely not handing this person ID. If I see it, it's a little kid. I don't know why, but the name Braden, that's who this is for. Braden, it sounds like a kid's name. So I feel like they'll probably never grow up. They'll always be a kid if their name is Braden. literally delivering to a house that has just been built. I don't think their address shows up because it said it was supposed to be way down there on the end of the street. But I think we're pulling up, yeah, because they wrote in their address separately, and there's trash cans flying everywhere. So, just as I suspected, I thought it would be a kid. But, okay, so this guy literally just turned 21. His birthday was January 31st, or 30th, I think. I just typed it in, I should know. And the expiration was the other day. Anyway, so the kid literally just turned 21 about 20 days ago or so, because I saw that his birth date was the 20th, or yeah, January, blah. He was born in 2000, which meant he had barely just turned 21. And yeah, and his ID wouldn't scan, so I had to like type in everything like manually, because he had a US passport ID instead, because I guess he just moved here from Hawaii, but I don't know. Anyway, so that was a very fun, weird experience. Kind of annoying, because I had to sit there and like the thing wouldn't scan because it didn't look like a normal ID. It was a passport, so, and it would not take a photo for the life of the camera. But yeah, so close one, you know. It was almost someone trying to buy alcohol like too young. But yeah, that's funny. I mean, I guess I would probably do some kind of shit like that when I had just turned 21, like try to see what I can get away with. Anyways, all right, we actually, this house is so close to the other place. We are literally pulling up to it right now. Be right back. Ooh, I gotta be careful with this Wingstop bag. I can already tell it's soggy. Wow, okay, so, Jesus. That kid that I was just talking about, I just noticed, because I completed the delivery of the first one, and he tipped me $14 freaking dollars. $14 for 2 6-packs. I mean, I guess when you're like a kid like that, you're like more inclined to tip because you're like, oh, I don't know, but damn, okay, thanks, Braden. Like, you didn't need to give me $14. I just dropped off 2 6-packs, you know, that's more than this. Okay, talk about a waste of money. Like, man, that guy, okay, not including this ridiculous tip he gave me, he had to have paid at least, I would say that the bar would charge him at least $25 to $30, I would say minimum, for 2 6-packs, you know? On top of that, he paid a $6 fee for me to drop it off. And then on top of that, he gave me $14 in a tip. $14. I almost want to go give him his money back, because like, bro, but thank you, but bro, like, okay, what is that calculate? Let's say we'll do $25 minimum for 2 6-packs. That's not, it's not going to cost that much. It's going to be more than that. It's going to be 30, you know, because a store would charge $10 each, so that would be 20 for 2 6-packs. So if we're getting it from a bar, best case scenario, $30 plus $20 for the order, you know, because he, so let's take out the tip. $36 is what he would have to at least pay for those 2 6-packs. Plus, he gave me $14, so $36, $50 for 2 6-packs minimum. That's what that guy just paid. Probably, I mean, unless there's like some kind of, like, dude, I would have just Ubered down the street real quick. That's what I would have done. But I'm kind of a little frugal with my money at most places. I'm like, oh, I'm not gonna spend this money. Like, I clearly make Doordash videos about how I, like, if I buy food, I like try to pay it off right away. But damn, that's got $50 for 2 6-packs. That's what that guy had to pay, you know? Crazy. But I guess when you're 21 years old, you're not really thinking about how to save money in small places and stuff. And like, I don't know, man, damn, you're done with your money when you're 21 years old. Sorry, Braden, if you're watching this video. I'm sure you're not, though, because I don't think you were a DoorDash driver. Anyways, oh man, we got a Camaro revving his engine right next to me. Wow, your car's so fancy. Okay. Anyways, all right, we're going to wrap up the day right there because I got to go home and edit this video and then edit the video from yesterday that you guys will probably see tomorrow. Maybe. I don't know. Because my parents are going to be coming into town tomorrow and yeah, so I got to get a bunch of stuff done today. So we're going to wrap it up right there. But if you guys haven't yet, please consider smashing the like button. Help you out my channel a little bit. And subscribe if you guys haven't. You guys are new to the channel. And if you guys also haven't, go check out offaxisacrobatics.com and use the discount code offaxistanner for 30% off. Or if you guys want some shoes for $35 until March 1st, 2021, they're only $35 with the discount code Tanner's YouTube. That's my name with an S at the end, and then YouTube. So if not, use the discount code OFFAXTANNER and you get 30% off. And shout out to Tommy Aaron. He's going to be fighting later today. Oh, I'm praying so hard because this is like one of the first. We sponsor Tony Ferguson, but this is the first MMA fighter that we're sponsoring, and our logo is going to be on the shorts and everything. And like, I am so worried because the guy that he's fighting is undefeated, and it could be, I don't know. The guy looks really good. I'm just throwing it out there. He looks really good. So, but anyway, so cross my fingers for Tommy. I hope he has a good performance tonight, and like, may God be with him, because anytime you step into an octagon and you're putting your life on the line like that, it's sketchy, you know. But yeah, so like this video, and if you guys haven't yet, go to Tommy Aaron MMA on Instagram and follow him. That's one of our he's Tony Ferguson's main training partner, and he's one of my good friends that I train with all the time, and he's taught me so much that I know about MMA. But he's like a younger guy. He's like 26 years old, so he's still got quite a bit of a career ahead of him. And yeah, so just shout out Tommy Aaron. Hopefully he does well tonight. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.